Why are you looking at me?
Just go.
I'm going. Hey. Well then. Well, oh shit. To my hotel. Would you like to stay forever?
No, I'm good.
We hope you enjoy your stay.
Oh, he sees it.
Oh, no.
Someone's gonna jump out at me and I'm gonna accidentally.
Jesus, actually. Make sure she's not behind us. Yep, she's at the door. She's behind the door. Go. Go.
Go inside to your room number 13.
Oh, God.
Hide your staff!
It's very scary.
3 years you wanted to come and you never have. Well, last year you couldn't. Because the government. But you know what? Not this year! It's an outdoor event!
Oh, those are the girls behind us.
Welcome to the hotel.
That's Sabian. Are you going in the Halloween house again?
Are you gonna go again?
Full barrel.
Well, that's a cool car.
Delicious. A little bit of mushroom.
We are officially closed for 2021, and I cannot believe the generosity of the community. Look at how much food. These barrels are overflowing with donations to help out needy families in the area. We love you guys, and we can't wait to see you in 2022. Peace.